Hello world, today I'll be using the Google Home once again to control Kodi on my Apple TV, and then Kodi is going to control my two Philips Hue. So, I'm just trying to get home automation done with the devices I have. So, first I have to open Kodi. Alright, see it says Kodi Hue. So now my lights are connected, and I just have to say a command, start a movie or a TV show, any video, and then these lights will dim automatically and be in theater mode. So, hey Google, Kodi, play random movie.
I don't understand.
I said it too slow. Hey Google, Kodi, play random movie.
Okay, here goes a random movie.
Alright, in a few seconds, it will play a movie from my library, and then the lights will go dim. And then when I pause it, I'm sitting on the remote. And then when I pause it, the lights will go back up. Okay, Google, Kodi pause.
Living room Kodi playback.
See, the lights got brighter again. Okay, Google, Kodi unpause.
Living room Kodi playback.
Then the lights get dimmer again as the video started to play. Okay, Google, Kodi stop.
Okay, I'm stopping the video.
Alright. So if you would like instructions on how to do this with your Kodi, the links will be in the description. And also, my last thing is please support these developers. They create some awesome hacks and awesome tweaks for us to enjoy, so please, at the bottom of their pages you will see a donation button. Please support our developers so they can continue to develop great software and hardware and everything for us to enjoy. And for me, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.